Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Kitty. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a ride or die, part of KKC, welcome back. Today guys, it's breakfast time. I wanted to have breakfast with you guys, so I have two French toast with coconut whipped cream. I have a banana, strawberries, and cherries. Yum. Where do we start? Okay, I want to taste this whipped cream before it's all... Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. That is bomb. If you have not tried coconut whipped cream, I'll insert a picture of what the can looks like here that I bought. Yeah, I'll insert a picture. It is delicious. Are you kidding me? The only thing... You gotta eat it pretty quick when you put it on the top of your French toast. For this melting. Strawberry. Cherry. There was a video circulating on Facebook. I'm not going to say too much about it but my sister was telling me there was some issues with cherries. She's not sure where from, what brand. But when I'm eating fruit, I always watch. Like, I always watch when I'm eating it. Cherries stain. If you've never, I've said it before. Actually, no, you guys didn't see that grocery haul video yet. If you have not tried cherries, they're delicious. My hair is a mess. Well, technically this isn't breakfast, it's brunch. Hi, Oreo. Hi. I was like, you're not going to talk to me? Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to the KKC family. You're so cute. I know you're only here because I have food. Sorry if this is shaking the camera. I normally fast till about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I woke up hungry today. Doesn't happen often. I made this exact breakfast except for the cherries and the banana. John had French toast and strawberries. I made it for John yesterday and I was like, oh, yum. I love the flavor of coconut, so anything coconut, I'm down. That's just one cherry, and my fingers are red. Well, they're like a purple red. These are dark cherries. If you like plums, you'll like cherries. I find they taste a little bit like a plum. Has like the same texture. So good, but that's the only thing I don't like is they dye your fingers. Oh, that's like the red pistachios are my favorite. And I don't know about you guys, but when I get eating pistachios, peanuts, cashews, it's hard to stop. They taste so good, and the salt in them, oh my gosh. But I get going with the red pistachios, and my fingers are dyed red for like 3 days. Now, my dietitian will probably say, now, did you have to have 2 French toast? You could have had 1 French toast and the berries and the banana. Did you have to have 2 French toast? And I'll say, yeah. Anyways, my beautiful friends, thank you for having breakfast with me. I'm going to finish eating, clean up the dishes, let my food settle for a little while, and get my workout in. But yes, I love you guys so very much. I hope you enjoyed having breakfast with me. Again, if you have never tried coconut whipped cream, it's a must. Kitty is telling you, go get you some cherries, strawberries, Make you some French toast. No, I'm kidding. Do whatever you want with the whipped cream. It is delicious. Absolutely delicious. You need to try it. Let me know if you have, or if you do get it, let me know when you did try it. And what your thoughts are. I knew instantly. As soon as I seen coconut whipped cream, yeah. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Deuces.